I did not know how to speak fluently English, but after coming, I am changed and I speak fluently English. And there I do many things, like I deliver presentation with front of many students, and I make many sentences, and I make new stories.
Earlier it was very difficult for me to speak and understand English. But when I have joined this academy, I am able to speak in English. Here I like the way of teaching, which is very easy to understand. If you join this academy, I promise you can definitely learn how to speak in English.
Earlier, I did not know I spoke correct or not, but now I know when and what time which sentence I use.
Before coming Cell Academy, I did not know how to speak in English. I practice in my house how to make presentation, how to make stories, and how to deliver presentations in front of many people.
If I talk about my English speaking, then earlier I spoke in English, but I didn't know how to use helping verb in sentences. So by which I felt hesitate and shy in between people. After that, I decided to join an English coaching. So I joined Cell Academy for English, and after that I see my results in which I can speak in English with my 100% confidence, and also I do not feel hesitate in between people.
Earlier I could not speak English, but now I speak English with so much confidence and I do not feel shy.
Earlier I was not able to speak English very fluently, and I always stammering while I am speaking. And now I can speak very fluently in English and with a very positive confidence. Thank you so much, Cell Academy.
One day I was reading English book, but I did not understand my story. After some days I joined English course. After joining course, I understand English and I can speak in English.
Earlier I could not understand English and I didn't know how to speak in English, but now I understand English and I know how to speak in English. And before attending class I didn't know how to make sentences, but now I make sentences and I can speak in English.
Earlier I did not understand in English. Now I understand English and write and speak in English.
My problem was that I couldn't speak in English at first, but I could understand. Then after getting know about Cell Academy, I joined here and I learned about proper way of speaking in English. I learned lots of lessons. I delivered presentation, and now I can speak in English fluently.
Hello everyone. Before joining course, I could not understand English, and I did not talk to anyone in English, and I did not watch videos in English. After joining course, I speak in English and I understand English and I watch videos in English.
Before joining Cell Academy, I could not speak in English fluently, but now I can speak in English very fluently. This is possible because of my hard work and dedication in English, and now I speak in English fluently.
Earlier, whenever it was my turn to respond in English, I used to go blank, but now I can speak fluently with my full confidence. Moreover, I learned here that success is determined by our confidence and fortitude.